My name is Chesta and I represent this company called as She Values. We are into women empowerment. We are creating opportunities for women job seekers across Pan India. So to improve the GDP ratio of the country at least by 0.2%. We started this company in 2021 and we are a year old right now, and we got incubated in IMB Bangalore, and now I am incubated in Elevate under Jinserve. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to address a problem statement, that is unemployment. So how we are trying to do this is because we are trying to build an AI based platform where job seekers can come and understand their own skill gap. And once the skill gap is understood, we'll try to upskill them and put them back to the job market. So this will eventually create lot of job opportunities for women job seekers. So we are catering for both IT and non-IT segment right now. To solve unemployment, especially with the women, and to promote gender equality in the company at the very nascent stage. One unique speciality about our company is we don't separate between IT and non-IT. What we are trying to say is employment is an right for employment for everybody. That is our vision statement. So any woman who is from age group of 22 to 40 years, they can come apply for our platform and they can see what jobs matches them, and then probably they can apply for that, and we will ensure that they get the job placed. So that's what we are trying to do. That's the vision. So by doing this, what will happen is the woman will become financially independent, and it will empower them. So they can be equivalent in the house, and they can also say that they are a breadwinner, not dependent on anyone. This is the ultimate vision of the company, and if we do this, we have lot of women employment working across Pan India, irrespective, not only in the metro, also in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities as well. Well, as I told you, we are a 1-year-old organization, and we are starting our marketing and branding activity with this platform. Later, the plan is down the line we would be going to a lot of colleges, because we are working with lot of undergraduates right now. We are in talk with KLE Technology in Hubli, is a tier 2 college, and we would be doing the same, and we will understand I think the need for this is more in tier 2 than in tier 1 cities like Bangalore, Chennai and all. So in tier 2 cities, it is a very value addition for the women job seekers, who are entering to the job market right now. We are focusing on both tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So tier 2 is something which we can at least we can bring them to 50% change. So tier 3 people, there would be a little bit of a restriction right now, because some would not be, they don't want to leave their village and come to Bangalore and work, or they don't have that educational qualification or the skill set to work in metro city. So slowly what we are doing is we are trying to upskill them, to make them understand what is the job requirement is in the Bangalore, and then we will upskill them, and then we put them back to the job market so they can get the job relevant. So we are educating them, and I think it's going to be, we would be achieving it 1 or 2 years down the line. As of now, somebody who has done +2 is something we are starting to work with, or undergraduates, but blue collar is something we are not dealing with right now, but probably if in the future, if it is a scalable model, we will work with people who are just passed out 10th or something. But it's down the line, it's not immediately, because blue collar vendors are in high demand. There are companies like Zepto, Blink, and lot of Zomato, Swiggy and all. They require even women who wants to go deliver the food item or the goods item, but women in India especially, they're not open for that. They're not ready for it, not even become a delivery executive. So to overcome that change, it requires a bit of a change. So probably at that time, we're gonna be like 2 to 3 years down the line. You could see right away there are a lot of Zomato. In Zomato, there are women who are delivering food in Bangalore. Maybe down the line, they would be doing it in tier 2 and tier 3 also.